Hi, I'm Carrie and welcome to Data Explorer's Daily News. Today we're focusing on the oil industry. The ramifications from the political unrest in Libya as well as the Middle East have elevated oil prices to 2.5-year highs. However, when looking at Libya and all the oil companies that are associated with the country, we haven't seen short sellers target any of those companies yet. It will be interesting to watch. As I mentioned on Monday, at Data Explorers, we have the ability to take portfolios, sectors, industries, and these stocks and run them through a screening process. We took 300 of the oil and gas producers as well as service providers and ran them through the screening process to come up with negative sentiment, positive sentiment, as well as squeeze risk. So we're focusing today more on the negative sentiment, but what's interesting is within the screening process, we also saw some positive sentiment come. So there are contrarian views associated with these names I'm about to mention. First up is Celtic Exploration. Celtic is based in Calgary, and despite the price rising in the last 6 months, the short interest has gone from 16 to 20%. Of all the shares in issue being shorted, this is extremely high. Anything over 8 to 10% as a benchmark is high for short interest. In that vein, the institutional longs, pension funds and mutual funds have been buying into this name. So, two different points of view. Next up is Crew Energy. Their fourth quarter production rose 11%. Their shares are almost doubled in the last year, but some investors don't care. The shorts have been increasing and they're at 14% of all the shares in issue are being short right now. However, the longs have been buying as well. Lastly is Noble Corp. It's the world's second largest offshore rig contractor. And from January, the shares outstanding that have been shorted have been 2%, gone to 9.5%. And again, the institutional longs have been buying. So as an investor, I'd watch these closely to see who's going to be right, the shorts or the longs. For more information, please go to dataexplorers.com/news. Thanks.